Learn and practice everyday action verbs in English. Wash. Wash. I wash my hands before every meal. I wash my hands before every meal. Brush. Brush. I brush my teeth in the morning and before going to sleep. I brush my teeth in the morning and before going to sleep. Scrub. Scrub. I scrub my armpits to remove any dirt underneath. I scrub my armpits to remove any dirt underneath. Bathe. Bathe. I bathe with soap and water to stay fresh. I bathe with soap and water to stay fresh. Comb. Comb. I comb my hair to keep it neat and untangled. I comb my hair to keep it neat and untangled. Clip. Clip. I clip my nails regularly to maintain a tidy appearance. I clip my nails regularly to maintain a tidy appearance. Blow. Blow. I blow my nose into tissues when having catarrh. I blow my nose into tissues when having catarrh. Cover. Cover. I cover my mouth when I cough or sneeze. I cover my mouth when I cough or sneeze. Dispose. Dispose. I dispose of used tissues in the trash bin. I dispose of used tissues in the trash bin. Change. Change. I change into clean clothes after playing outside. I change into clean clothes after playing outside. Hydrate. Hydrate. I change into clean clothes after playing outside. I change into clean clothes after playing outside. Eat. Eat. I eat a balanced diet with fruits and vegetables. I eat a balanced diet with fruits and vegetables. Flush. Flush. I flush the toilet after use. I flush the toilet after use. Remove. Remove. I remove my shoes before entering the house. I remove my shoes before entering the house. Play. Play. I play outside with my friend after studying. I play outside with my friend after studying. Clean. Clean. I clean my room every day. I clean my room every day. Wash. Wash. I wash the plates after eating. I wash the plates after eating. Avoid. Avoid. I avoid touching my face with dirty hands. I avoid touching my face with dirty hands. Read. Read. I read bedtime stories before going to sleep. I read bedtime stories before going to sleep. Use. Use. I use hand sanitizer after shaking hands. I use hand sanitizer after shaking hands. Watch. Watch. I watch cartoons on the weekends. I watch cartoons on the weekends. Stay. Stay. I stay indoors during heavy rain. I stay indoors during heavy rain. Ask. Ask. I ask for help when needed. I ask for help when needed. Say. Say. I say, "Excuse me," to get someone's attention. I say, "Excuse me," to get someone's attention. Share. Share. I share toys and snacks with my friends. I share toys and snacks with my friends. Read. Read. I read my books every day. I read my books every day. Listen. Listen. I listen attentively to others. I listen attentively to others. Do. Do. I do my homeworks before playing with my friends. I do my homeworks before playing with my friends. Iron. Iron. I iron my clothes before wearing them. I iron my clothes before wearing them. Help. Help. I help my mum in the kitchen whenever I'm available. I help my mum in the kitchen whenever I'm available. Play. Play. I play football during break hour. I play football during break hour. Wear. Wear. I wear my sunglasses before going out in the sun. I wear my sunglasses before going out in the sun.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.